Today, we will learn how to use must. It is very important. Let's get started. I must go. I must go. I must study. I must study. I must work. I must work. I must try it again. I must try it again. I must do my homework. I must do my homework. I must wake up early. I must wake up early. I must be careful. I must be careful. I must pay the bills. I must pay the bills. I must learn English. I must learn English. I must help my parents. I must help my parents. I must tell the truth. I must tell the truth. I must move forward. I must move forward. I must read this book. I must read this book. I must be patient. I must be patient. I must wait here. I must wait here. I must clean my room. I must clean my room. I must save money. I must save money. I must eat healthy. I must eat healthy. I must drink more water. I must drink more water. Good job, guys. You've learned how to use must. Guys, that was part 1. Follow part 2. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye, guys.